Hello students, today we will discuss about one of the important aspect in capital markets, government securities. This is Harish Tigri, working as assistant professor in the PG studies. Right, government securities are securities issued by central government to borrow from financial market to meet its fiscal deficit. Securities are issued for short term as well as long term. Short-term securities with maturity less than 1 year are called treasury bills, while long-term securities with maturity of 1 year or more are called government bonds or dated securities. They are considered as safe investments as investors are guaranteed return of both interest and principal from the government of India. Very clear, government securities or securities issued by central governments to borrow from financial markets to meet fiscal deficit. There are two types of securities issued by government of India. With one is long term and another one is short term. In case of short term with less than 1 year maturity can be called as treasury bills. In short we can call it T bills. And in case of long term securities with 1 or more year of tenure or maturity called government bonds or dated securities. Both securities are guaranteed by central government. What is government security actually? A government security is a tradable instrument issued by government or central government or state government. A government security is a tradable instrument issued by a central government or state government. Means government securities are issued by both central and state governments. It acknowledges government debt obligations such as securities or short term, usually called as treasury bills, what we discussed, with less than 1 year maturity, and long term in the sense usually called as government bonds or dated securities with 1 year or more security, 1 year or more maturity period we can call it. In India, central government issues both treasury bills and bonds and dated securities. The state government issues only bonds or dated securities which are called as state development loans. State development loans. And government securities carry practically no risk of default and hence called as risk-free gilt-edged securities. It can also be called as gilt-edged securities with risk-free. It can also be called as risk-free gilt-edged securities or instruments. And issue of government securities. Government securities are issued in the primary market through auctions conducted by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of government. On behalf of government, an investor, depending upon eligibility, may bid an auction under competitive bidding or non-competitive bidding. Institutional investors such as banks, financial institutions, primary dealers, mutual funds, insurance companies are generally eligible to make competitive bids. This is the procedure to issue the government securities. Next, advantages of government securities. So government securities are available in a wide range of maturities from 91 days to 40 years. 91 days to 40 years. And government securities can be sold easily in the secondary market to meet cash requirements. Third one, government securities can also be used as collateral to borrow funds in the repo market. Next, it provides an attractive yields to the investors. Government securities prices are readily available due to a liquid or liquidity. Right? Next, liquidity we can call it as due to a liquidity due to liquidity in nature due to liquidity in nature. Yes, sir. Next, major players in government securities market. So first thing, commercial banks. Second thing, institutional investors, insurance companies, cooperative banks, regional rural banks, mutual funds, provident and pension funds, foreign portfolio investors. Foreign portfolio investors, these are all major players in government securities. In government securities, this is about the brief description about government securities.